children, how are you all? Good. Today I am going to show you a wonderful exercise, how to fold a napkin. This activity builds you confidence, independence and fine motor skills. It helps you to learn about shapes and improve your hand-eye coordination. Are you ready to start our activity? Today I am showing 4 methods. Let's start one by one. First one, it has a line drawn down to the middle. Slide your hand left to right. Fold like this. This shows a rectangle shape. Now, second one. It has a line diagonal from corner to corner and fold through the line. It shows a triangle shape. Third one. This line forms a cross. First you trace with your hand left to right, top to bottom and fold like this. This forms a square shape. Next and the last. This has a double diagonal line from corner to corner. Fold like this. This also forms a triangle shape. Now you are tracing on the dotted line and folding on the dotted line. Now you can easily wrap your tiffin box with napkin and practice to fold your clothes. Hope you enjoy the folding techniques. Bye. Thank you.